In this video, we're going to look at the possibilities with text message marketing. Text message marketing can be incredibly powerful because it's a direct connection to your clients through their mobile phone. You can send group messages to all of your clients or a designated segment to announce openings in your schedule, product promotions, and pretty much anything that you want to communicate. In order to begin, navigate to Manage and Marketing. Text message marketing is an additional paid service. So to get started, we'll have to click the green button that says Buy Messages. Each text sent and or received will deduct 1 from your total messages. I'm going to click the Buy under 100 messages and pay $5. You'll notice down here at the bottom that I now have 100 messages that I can use, and the next step to get set up is getting a dedicated phone number for text messaging. I'll begin by adding my area code in this box, and the software will designate a text messaging phone number for my account. As you can see, the software has successfully given me a phone number that will be assigned to my account. It's important to understand that you can't just start sending text messages to any of your clients without them opting in. Due to strict FCC regulations, all clients must opt in for this service before they're able to receive any text message marketing from your salon. You can click this red hyperlink to get some creative ideas on how to get your clients to opt in for this service. There are 2 ways that clients can opt in for text message marketing. First, they can text the word haircut, relax, or nails to your new designated phone number. Your client will get a message asking them to type in yes to confirm. And after they have confirmed, they are now set up for text message marketing. The other way they can opt in for text message marketing is by logging into their account, going to the My Profile section, and clicking the text message checkbox. After they click the Save Profile button, they are now set up for text message marketing. Let's go back and look at a few creative options on how we can get our clients to opt in for this service. First would be through social media. You can create a message or an infographic and post it to your social media profiles, letting people know that they can get the most updated information and promotions from your salon by texting haircut to your salon texting phone number. You can also accomplish the same thing by having them text relax or nails if this is more appropriate for your business. You can also direct your clients while they're in your salon to log into their account and click the text messaging box. This type of information could be on your website as well, giving them step-by-step instructions. And you could also get the word out there by using your email marketing through Client Connect right here in this software. Now let's go to the marketing dashboard and I'll show you how to create a one-time campaign. To get started, we'll click the Get Started link right here. Next, you'll click this link and name the campaign. And then click Create. Next, you'll type your message in the box that you'd like to send to your clients. You have 160 characters that you can use in this message before it will be sent in 2 separate messages. As you can see, there's a preview on the right side, and when you're done and happy with your message, you'll just click Save. Next, you'll click Manage Clients. If you'd like to send this message to a single client or multiple handpicked clients, you can search them by name and add them manually. Or you can use this filtering option here and filter out clients based on their service, product, packages, all of these options here. We're just going to send it to all the clients, and I'm going to select Matching Clients. Now the software has brought up all the clients that fit that criteria. If we want to eliminate them one by one, we can do that just by clicking this button here, and that removes them from receiving this text message. When we're happy with the list, we'll just click Done and Launch Campaign. If you want to launch the campaign immediately, you'll just click the Launch button. Otherwise, you can actually choose the date and time that you'd like to send it. For now, we're just going to launch it right away. Next, I want to show you the capabilities that you have by using automatic campaigns. Let's go to Manage All, and I'll show you what we can do. With automatic campaigns, you can wish clients a happy birthday. You can reach out to clients that haven't been in a long time. You can let clients know that they're due back for a new hair process, or you can reach out to them and let them know that they're running low on products. Let's go into the Due Back Soon automatic campaign, and I'll show you how this works. If you want to activate this campaign, all you'll do is turn it on. You'll select the amount of days that you want since their last appointment to send this text message out. I'm going to do it in 30 days. That way it's close to 4 weeks since their last appointment. Gives them plenty of time to schedule their next appointment. And then you'll type in a message in the body and click Save. Now that automatic campaign is active and will send text messages automatically according to the rules that you set up. Anytime you want to go back to the marketing dashboard, you'll just click the marketing home button in the top right. Finally, the last thing I want to show you on this dashboard is the text message log. When you click the show button, it takes you to this screen. And here you can see all of the text messages that have been sent and received. As you can see, text message marketing can be a powerful tool for client communication and generating more revenue. The possibilities are endless.